Ngehoka muthenya waku nurathie na mbere kwigariura o wega ngikunyita ugeni mohoro-ini maitu na njira nguhi ma ithaa riri kana matemo ni njitao Kate Muthoni na tukianjiriria mohoro thiku igiri tu thutha wa mutino wa Ituika wa Songot county ya Elgeyo Marakwet uria gukinyiria riu uragite andu 26 na angi 24 matire maronekana andu eri a nyumba emwe ni makwirire mutino-ini ungi wa Ituika mwena wa Kipkenda thutha wa mahiga kuharurukira nyumba-ini yao utuku wa gukia muthenya wa umuthi Matuika maya maracungiririo ni mbura iria rathie na mbere na kura matura-ini ngurani ma county iyo na kurumirira uhoro uyu andu agieri ni magurarite na marathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani riri muingi uria wikaraga haruruka-ini uritio thame niguo gwithema no gwati uyu.
Wakati mvua ilipopoa kidogo tukasikia nduru. So sisi kama majirani na familia tukakuja kufika hapa. Huyu mama ya mzee mke wake ambaye ameenda. So tulifika hapa mama amefinyiliwa na wajukuu.
Kuingia room hii mama moja kapitia hapa chini. Kakonga ukuta mpaka ndani. Kutoka nikatoka nje na kuangalia huko mambo imekuwa mbaya. Nikapinduka na kwenda rao na kupiga nduru. Watu wananchi wangu wakaingia.
Ningependa kutoa wito kwa watu wa sehemu hii waweze kwanza wale wanaishi katika nyanda za chini waweze kutafuta makao mengine katika nyanda za juu ili wasiweze kupatwa na madhara.
Na rutuke mureka ciigie githomo arutwa grade ya kenda maratiri hakigeranio kiao gia KCSE umuthi riri nao arutwo othe a kirathi gia form 4 mambiriirie kigeranio kiao gia KCSE. Ministry ya githomo yugite mibango mirumu ni gathikitwo niguo gutigirira arutwo othe ni mahota guikarira igeranio ciao uria gufati. Amwe a arutwo aria mahutitio ni kuma county ya Elgeyo Marakwet kumana na Ituika ria muthia wa kiumia kihituku mutino uria uracungiririe ikuũ cia arutwo 10 Toria Wangui wa Mwangi aratariria.
Mururumo wa igeranio cia bururi ukirika kiumia gia gatatu Minister wa githomo Gamba Migos na maafitha angi anene manokete kundu gutiganite gutwarithia urekereria wa maratathi ma kigeranio kia muthia gia KCSE na oho kuruguria kigeranio gia KCSE kuri arutwo othe bururi-ini.
Today is the beginning of large papers for KCSE and we have been able to issue them here in Westlands. And the same is happening all over the country. And, for KCSE, this is the last day. Learners are sitting for their last paper of KCSE. And so far, I want to thank all our stakeholders, all our teachers, our invigilators, for smoothly rolling out KCSE, which was completed last week. And of course also KCSE, which has been running for the last 6 days.
Ministry ya githomo yugite kuma igeranio cia bururi ciambiriria maundu mothe ni mathiete o wega orotiga mihiga ya mbura nene iria iraura kundu gutiganite no thirikari ni bangite gutigirira arutwo othe ni makinyirwo ni igeranio ciao uria kufatie.
Our intention, our plan, our strategy is to ensure that no child, no learner, this 996,078 misses doing the examinations during this time. So we put logistics in place as a government.
We have deployed helicopters, we have deployed motor vehicles, and all the requirements that are required to ensure that every candidate is given a chance to sit for their examinations.
Muhega munene wonekete kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet kurumirira mutino wa Ituika uria uracungiririe ikuũ cia arutwo amwe thirikari ikiuga mibango ya mwanya ni kinyaneirio niguo gutigirira arutwo aria mahutitio matinaga gwika igeranio ciao.
Unfortunately, we lost 14 students in the incident. It's really unfortunate. And we have made logistical arrangements also, including working very closely with our security agencies to ensure that all the students have been safely evacuated and all the students can be able to sit for their examinations without interruption.
Kigeranio gya KCSE giatirihwo umuthi mihango ya gukimaka ikwarukwo oryo niguo maumirira makarekererio tene mweri-ini wa Dithemba na kuhe ihinda woyani wa arutwo aya thukuru-ini cia senior.
Most of the KCSE exam will be marked electronically, and marking will begin immediately as soon as tomorrow, and we expect it to be done expeditiously, and within another 40 days at most we should be able to release that result.
Maafitha othe aria mehokeirwo ukinyaniria wa igeranio ici cia bururi ni maririkanitio gukinyaniria mawatho maria magatheke makugitira ciiko cia guthoga igeranio, makirwo aria mekunyitikana na mahitia ni megutungio guoko kwa watho.
We've had a discussion with the office of prosecutor, ODPP, and we've agreed and they are ready in the event of anybody being found engaging in any sort of malpractice or irregularity. Legal action will be taken against them, criminal charges will be preferred, and the process of them going through that court process and they found guilty, being jailed will then be part and parcel of it. And once that is done, and if it's a teacher or anybody who is working in the ministry, they will not be able to come back to the profession.
Kigeranio kia arutwo wa form 4 gya KCSE gigukorwo gigithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria ciumia 3 iroka gikibangirwo kurika tariki 21 mweri-ini uyu wa 11. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Turaisho cigie igeranio, afitha munene wa kanja igeranio goko bururi-ini David Jengere augite uhuthiri wa thimu thiini wa ceceni cia igeranio ni muhinga munene uria ungikorwo ukirigiria ukinyaniria wa igeranio cia uma na waragania. Akiaria thutha wa kuhingura igeranio tauni-ini ya Thika, Jengere augite watho wa uhuthiri wa thimu ukurumirirwo nginyagia ndemwa ya muthia na mundu uria ukunyitikana agifunja watho uyu ni agutacukirio ikinya inene ria kiwatho. O ni eraniire ati thirikari ni irutite ndege cia kuigana muthemba wa helicopter iria irahuthika gutwara igeranio thiini wa matura maria magumirwo ni thina wa mithiire ihinda-ini riri mbura nene rathi na mbere na kura kundu gutiganite ta mwena wa Elgeyo Marakwet.
The first rule, and which has been made very clear to everybody, is on the phones. The phones remain our biggest challenge in effective and efficient administration of the examinations. And we have issued a circular to everybody who is going to be in the spaces where the examinations are being administered, that they must surrender their phones. The gates remain open until when the materials are taken away back to the container. And that's a very simple rule which we are saying everyone must observe so that we secure integrity of the examinations.
Makiria ma family ngirinya ni ithamitio micini yao ni mwaraho wa mai mwena wa Naivasha thutha wa iria ria Naivasha kuyura na kuna. Muingi ni uritie thirikari nene ya kaunti yongerere uteithio uria ukoretwo kuo niguo mahote guthama magitigira kugumirwo ni mirimu iria yumanaga na giko. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru yugite igeranio iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere nicio irugamitie mihango ya guthamia muingi riri andu marateithiririo guthama. Muriuki wa Mucoki ni na ripoti ino.
O niguo matura maria marigiceirie iria ria Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru mahana. Muingi ugituikania mwaraho-ini wa mai niguo oigire na kuma micii-ini yao. Ni mwaraho urehetwo ni kuna kwa iria ria Naivasha. Aikari makiuria thirikari mateithie guthama matekumenya haria mai megukinya kana kuria meguthamira.
Mimi niko na mtoto wa 5 months. Sasa nimemwekelea huko hivyo kwa kitanda juu. Hakuna usaidizi yenye sisi yenyewe tumepata. Tunasikianga kuna pesa za disaster huku hivi. Hakuna pesa yenye tumepata.
Aruti wira migunda ya mahua aria maikaraga matura-ini maya nio mahutitio muno. Makiuga mishara iria marihagwo ndegi mahotithia guthama na gukombora nyumba iri na goro kundu kungi.
If we are Kenyans, we need help. Kama ni ile time yenye mahi watu walikuwa wanakufa, we saw you. Na mlikuwa mnafika huko hivyo on time. Do you need us we died so that you come here? Kama Kama ni kukufa mngekuwa hapa hivi mkikuja kuonyesha sympathy.
Wale watu wote wako hapa ambao ni tenants waweze kuhamishwa na serikali na wapatiwe pesa ya kwenda kukodisha.
Andũ arĩa hatĩrĩrie mũno nĩ ciana cia cukuru na arĩa akũrũ arĩa matangĩhota gwĩthara kana gũthama.
Watoto wamefunga shule, takriban familia 1200 zinaishi hapa. Na wakiishi hapa ni kumaanisha watoto ni wengi zaidi. Magonjwa yataanza kuchibuka mahali hapa. Tunaomba uhamisho wa haraka iwezekanavyo.
Irita njĩra ya kũrigĩrĩria gũtamba kwa mĩrimũ ĩrĩa yumanaga na maĩ ma gĩko. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthomithia mũingĩ njĩra cia kwĩgitĩra, ĩgĩthiaga na mbere na mĩhang'o ya gũthamia arĩa marenda gũthama.
Saizi ukiangalia watu wako devastated. Tangia jana watu hawajakula, hakuna mahali pa kupikia chakula. Hakuna mahali pa kulala. Wale watu wazee ambao walinunua haya mashamba zamani sana wamekuwa wagonjwa.
Timu yetu ya public health kutoka wakati hii jambo ilitendeka wamekuwa wanaenda round na dawa ya kudisinfect water na kuambia watu wasitumie hiyo maji, wateke maji ya mvua watumie. So watu hawajakuwa wanatumia maji, na kama kuna sidhani kuna mtu anatumia because sasa hatujakuwa na outbreak ya ugonjwa yote. Ukiangalia situation kama hii, kama watu hawakuwa sensitized, sasa tungekuwa tumepata maugonjwa ambazo sinaleta outbreak hapa.
Tiria mbere iria rĩa Naivasha rĩraihũra na kuna rĩrĩa rĩothe kwagĩa na mbura nene nĩriunaga na gũthamia arĩa maikaraga hakuhĩ narĩo. Rĩu kĩhonia gĩa gũtũũra gĩkĩbatara gwethwo ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya gũthemana na ũgwati ũrĩa ũngiumĩra rĩrĩa rĩothe kwagĩa na mwaraho iria-inĩ rĩa Naivasha. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki.
President William Ruto ni arugũrĩtie waki wa kĩganda gĩa fertilizer gĩa Kengen Kaishan Olkaria County-inĩ ya Naikuru. Tabarĩra ĩno ĩrahũthĩra ciringi bilioni 100 na ĩgũkorwo ĩkĩruta tani 440 ũrĩmi na njĩra nene.
From deep beneath the Rift Valley flows one of our greatest industrial treasures, the geothermal steam. Kenya holds an estimated 10,000 megawatts of geothermal potential, yet we have harnessed just less than 10%, which is 1,000 megawatts. Kenya's leadership in geothermal energy gives us a unique advantage to power green industries sustainably. This project will tap 165 megawatts of geothermal power Africa. Beyond fertilizer production, this venture will prevent more than 600 tons of carbon dioxide emission every year, equivalent to getting 130,000 internal combustion engine cars off the road. At the same time, it will create more than 1,000 jobs, offering opportunities for our young people and local communities. It will also nurture a new generation of geothermal engineers, hydrogen experts, process operators, and innovators in many fields, the pioneers who will power Africa's green industrialization future.
Na hau mwiroreri nĩ ũtũtirihira mohoro maitũ na njĩra nguhĩ ma ithaa rĩrĩ. Ĩndĩ mohoro mana mangĩ maingĩ marĩa andĩkĩtwo mohoro marathi na mbere gũkũharĩrĩria magũkinyĩra na njĩra ndikandikĩru cia nda themwe na thaa ithatũ. Ngakũerithĩria hwainĩ mwega, nĩ njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.